Okay. So we need an input there, a word input, to show that these are the inputs that we got from the questions. Okay, the same routine. You make a color. What color can we use here? Just like blue. Okay, can make. Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Good, thank you. Sorry, I joined later. I'm just coming in from another class.
Okay.
Which question are we looking at?
Question 3.
Question 3 from the questions were shared?
Yes.
Okay, let me put myself in order.
Okay. So from the data that you copied, this is the targeted profit, okay? This is the profit that we want. So there's no need of defining it, okay? Attendance expected. Okay, we can define this one, I think. Let's define this one. Expect 100 people. So we can define it. Define name. Payment to speakers, you can define this one. Cost of venue, we can define the cost of venue. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the questions you should do. Get easier marks in the exam. Don't spend much time on this kind of questions, okay? Advertising, then photocopying and printing. Okay. Don't spend time on defining. Just when you see, just define fast, 10 minutes, you are done. Linen. Here's linen, it's a cost. Okay. Giveaway stationery, it's also a cost. Okay. We come to refreshments, the 10,000 here. Is it? So this one we have calculated it by getting, we do C26 times, so this 100 times the 100 times how many speakers? The 100 times 100, that will give us what? 1,000. Okay, food per participant is how much in the question? Per plate? Okay, let me go back to the question. Planting flowers and shrubs, 2,000. Linen, 100. Giveaway stationery, 2,000. And food for refreshments, 100 per head. And we are planning for how many here? You are planning, okay, you are planning, okay, 100 times 100 is how much? So we do this 100 here per plate times the 100 expected attendees. Okay, you're getting 10,000 eh? Yeah, okay, so also define that 10,000 there. Okay, we define it. Okay. Are we okay? You have done defining, right? Are we done defining? Hello, ladies and gentlemen, are we done defining? Can you continue? Are you getting me?
Yes, we are.
Yes, I'm asking a question. Are we done defining? We continue to the next stage.
We can continue.
Okay. So this one you can name it dashboard, okay, if you want. Dashboard. Dashboard, okay. We come to the next one. Here, what do we want to do? Okay, we create a table. Profit and loss statement, eh? Okay. Okay, you can do it in B2. Okay, let's draw a table like that. Can also measure and center the header there. Okay. Okay. We're done doing that table. Okay, so these are the items that we just wrote here. So attendance expected, you're going to write 100 here. So yes, we're going to bring it. We're going to type equals attendance. attendance expected, you tab it, it comes, you bring it here. Okay, fee per participant, we don't know, we need to know how, we need to find it. Okay, using a tool which we're going to use. Okay, so the next thing when you multiply a 0 times 100, what are you getting? Do equal sign, 100 times a 0. So we're getting total revenue of 0 because we don't know the fees. Okay, then we subtract the costs. In this case, the costs, you bring them because you typed already there. So you type equals, the first one is payment for speakers. Okay, how do you define it? You define it as speakers. Okay, you define it as payment to speakers. Okay, so you just type equal sign, payment to speakers, you tab, enter. The next one is advertisement equals advertisement tab. Oh, this one was cost of venue. Okay, cost of venue, you tab. Okay, advertisement. Okay, equal sign, advertisement tab, enter. Photocopying equals photo, tab and enter. Flowers, type equals flowers and shrubs, enter. Table in any type equals table, you tab, you enter. Giveaway stationery, type equals give away, tab, you enter. Food and refreshments, you type equals food, you tab, you enter. Okay, total expenditure, you sum these ones, they come here. So you go on auto sum, you are adding these ones here. Okay, then enter. Okay, the profit is the 0 minus this one. So you type equals 0, this one, minus the total cost. To give us the negative, those total costs. Okay. Are we okay? Are we okay up to here? Let's communicate. Are we okay?
Yes, we are.
Who is not okay?
I'm playing catch up.
Okay.
Mhm.
So
I'm
where we
playing
are
catch up,
going
but,
now, we need to concentrate because I know these ones are simple, so I was rushing. So, okay.
okay.
I hope, let's catch up all of us so that we could continue together here.
Give me 2 minutes or a minute. Cochino, are there any particular formulas that you had indicated right on top to get to the total expenses?
Total expenses is just summation.
Okay.
Just to sum everything and then come here.
All right.
Okay,
you may
now
proceed.
we answer the first question. Question A. What's the first question says? Using what? Queen, marema kubelenga.
Oh, I'm trying to compare. I've gotten a different figure.
Okay.
The first question says, using the dashboard modeling, absolute and relative differencing, calculate the total income, total expenditure, and profit that you realize.
Okay. At the moment, this is we have answered question A. That's how simple it is. Okay. Question A, that's how simple. 6 marks here way. So we go to B. So this one you can name it A. Okay. This is A. We go to B. So going to B, you just copy the same table on top this one. Copy it and bring it down. Copy, you just highlight there, Control C. You bring it down and you do Control V. Okay. Control V, you are done, copy. Okay, you are done. Now, section the part B is saying using GOSIC. Okay, phase B. Using the GOSIC under the what if analysis, determine the registration fee you need to charge each conference participant to make the targeted profit. Our targeted profit is 10,000. Okay, if you have 100 registrations, okay, that is if you have got 100 attendants that have come. So how much fee can you charge so that you make a targeted profit of 10,000? Okay, are we together? So the what if analysis was on data. Okay, because of what I've shared here, so I have to minimize my page a bit so that I see data from my side. So data is here. Okay, and I bring it back. Data, then what if analysis is here. Okay, what if analysis is here, you go on what if analysis, you go on GOSIC. Okay, this is where you find the GOSIC. But before we do that, let's put our cursor where we want to have our target profit. Okay, in our table B here. So you go and put your cursor where there's a negative 31,600 there in our table B. So we go on what if data, then what if analysis. Okay, then you go on GOSIC. Okay, GOSIC opens. So that set sale, we have already put a cursor there. That's a sale you want to set. You want to set it to how much? Okay, to what value? We want a target of 10,000. So value to value, you write 10,000 there. 10, 1, 2, 3, 10,000 kwacha. By changing sale, which sale do you want to change? We want the fees for each party. How much can we charge the participant? So you come here, you click first there in the box, then you click the fee per participant cell there, where under the 100 there, where there's a 0. You go and click there. That's the one you want to change. If you are done, then do okay. Okay, and to generate those results. Then when your list is done, you just go on okay. Meaning, for you to realize a 10,000 profit, you need to do what? You need to charge 416 kwacha per each participant. Okay, are we okay?
Coach, can you start again?
Okay, let me start again. Okay, let me start again. I said you go on data. Data is just after formula. Okay. So let me put a 0 here again like that. Okay. So I go on what if analysis. Okay, I go on GOSIC. Okay. You click GOSIC there. GOSIC, it pops up. Okay. In case you forgot to click, set cell, it will set the cell where you have clicked where you have put your cursor. But in case you forgot to click, just go and click where you want to set. Here we are setting the profit. We want a profit of 10,000. You are setting that cell where the profit is supposed to be. And to what value? To how much profit do you want? So you put a 10,000 there. 10, 1, 2, 3. Okay. By changing what cell do you want to change? The price. Because you want that's the one you want to know, because you don't know the price you should charge. Okay, so you go on the 0 there and go and you click there, then you do okay. Okay, then it will generate the answer, then you go on okay. Then meaning, if you want to make 10,000 kwacha profit, you need to charge your participant 416. So therefore, you can maneuver now. If that 416 is okay with you, or you think the price is too high, then you look at where you can reduce on the costs. Okay, if you're saying no, I can't charge 416, it's just too much, then you look at how you can reduce the cost. Maybe you can reduce on the food, the refreshments and food there, you can reduce the giveaway stationery, maybe you reduce, so that you minimize on the price you'll be charging per participant. Okay. Okay. Any question? We are remaining with 2 minutes under this session. So we need to log in again after 2 minutes. If there's any question in that 2 minutes, you can use that 2 minutes to ask a question. Any question, ladies and gentlemen? If it's simple.
Coach, there's one particular figure I didn't enter, the fees per participant. Just scroll up on the first table, the initial table. The table right where we are, the under question A.
This one.
Okay, I've noticed on total revenue, there's 0 there.
Total
Then
revenue.
the second one has total revenue. Yes.
Yes, the 100 times 0. You are multiplying 100 times nothing. It's supposed to give you nothing.
Okay.
Okay, you don't know the price.
Okay, then the second one, let's scroll to the second one under B.
The second one under B. Which one, sir?
The table below,
Yes, yes.
Okay, total revenue there. How did we get it? Maybe you can put the cursor there.
Nashitobweza pona twice.
You know what?
Hey,
My head is overloaded from the class I had just before this class. So even the question I don't have it, but I'm able to. Okay, just put your cursor. Okay, put your cursor under the amount 41,600.
There's no formula there. It comes because of Gosick.
Okay.
It's Gosick. So unless when you log in, come early, so what I will go through together as we are waiting for our colleagues. When you log in the next session, so what I show you how I came up with that figure.
All right. Thank you.
Any question?